What's good YouTube? This is your boy Press and that's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. So yeah, this is my first day in Zimbabwe, and after so many years, I think something like 3 years now, and I'm out here in Ushokunze, Harare. Those who don't know where Ushokunze is a place located near Mbudzi roundabout, and it's opposite Southly Park, and it's near Fidelity or Southview Park, and it's also near Masvingo Toll Gate. Just uchangopinda Harare ndopane Ushokunze pamoyo pamongo pe Harare, and it's also opposite makuwa anonzi Pambudzi kana vanonzi Pambudzi kudze nekoko. You understand? So yeah, if you are passing through uchibva ku South Africa ukoti praise ndikuzokusira ka $100 ndo yachimanya kwasipaduze. Anyways, that's not the story. So you guys are ndikuno ku Ushokunze. I used to stay in Budiriro back then, and then I'm a stand, and then my parents they bought a stand here in Ushokunze, a nice big stand. And then the thing is like Ushokunze kuno some they are saying it's a squatter, no squatter area. People that take us to Pamtemo, yeah, vamwe vari kudza Pamtemo, because as you can see they are putting some electricity down there. You can see the progress kutofamba ruteza magetsi kuno. So yeah, vamwe vari kuti dzimba dzasi Pamtemo dzisapwanya dzichita sei. So naizvozvo zvinhu zvekutimisa kunge tichita se tichivaka main house, because ukazopwanyirwa imba uchingoisa main house pamba zvinhu zvozokurwadza. So my father ni mumwe munhu ari so old school or munhu so cultural amen, munhu anosadza kuita maprogress kumusha than Marare muno, since achikoti akustendi kunoita se kupwanywa in time. So vakavaka a very nice house in Mount Darwin farm. I think I'm gonna go there soon. I think next week, I'm not sure. I'm still doing the plans and anchiri kuplan. I will show you the house yakavaka wasida kugarwa yakapera, but yangosara kuti matouch up city kuti since kusara kugara. You understand? And then vane mombe dzavo dzakawanda dziri kumusha dzavanotenga mombe vangarachenga mombe each and every time vanomeka sure pamwe dzotenga mombe. Iprogress akada kuita munhu ati kurembi chana anda zvidza kana trucks, and munhu akuzokumba zvekuzorelocata zvakare kuti vanogara kumusha, and then we take over here in Harare. So so long we have got a cottage here at our stand. As you can see, don't mind the yard, it's still junky because parutwa farming zikuitwa panapa. I will get into the story. And yeah, so since parutwa cottage rapa payo cottage pamba panapa panogara moms yangu na blast yangu vari 2, and then my sister kari boarding school, she's in grade 6 ari boarding school ku I think it's Wadlove, somewhere there. And vanogara vari 2 para mudhara kunzi truck driver is not always here. So I was like, but that's okay, moms, look man, why can't we just put another room to make the rooms full of them? Because right there there's a bedroom and my brother's spare ne a dining, is a lounge or a small dining ineka kitchen area pakona. I understand because there's my new stairs, rogara my new stairs. So that's the moms, why can't we add another room so that kitchen knows mirror or operate 2 rooms there, boys, or kitchen knows mirror, just another room so that there will be full of them. And then this side gonna work some men I was saying stangira. And then we're like, why not? So now what we're doing is that we are renovating a small house, that cottage there. We want to renovate it and make it look so nice. So I will show you guys. I'll go through with you. I'll go through the process with you guys, showing you tap up. So today we went to buy those bricks. In fact, I'm gonna show you the whole process, what happened. I did not take us dinner. Let me show you.
Chana Mr. Peace, unorapwa newhisky. Saka ndati rure inewo mumambure imomo pawandipindura ndichitexta aba vangu vati ndinomecha rudo rwandakopa waipasta sibrando wanditemisa musoro mebakare question chawakada chipa na gangstime ukandipa wanako kamfamo kwaditiri tu we go be alone tatarira undiripa miri benzira ukatondiona uchasimuza ruoko imika my Maria undiripa miri benzira ukatondiona uchasimuza ruoko
Mana madi apa ndo panogara paimbogara MPNs mashaya mombe musu lembe yake ines atimushibage muno tikuenda ku Mbudzi roundabout tomotenga imwe michero ya shota 102 stuff irontenga door frame window frame stuff nice and yeah one college guys to college kuma gate ichochi you understand and yeah so now tikuenda kune zinonzi Southview Fidelity kuti dzimwe dzimba dzakanaka naka ziruko ko kwati develop kudarika kuno zvinani ndokachano kana taxi ko and then tobaya kumbudzi kwachona kuzodzoka back areas saka ndo geto racho era kana chirori chambira mashure nacho mushika svika kunopara kwachinja chaita komana chona kudona kana fenda uri mota se chona ngowira kana fenda baba uri mota baba Josh. Yeah, makwiko.
Hello. All right. Tutakuja takuya.
Eza tasvika panonzi paboka pamafloors kupantengeswa fodya papaya boka town boka oh there yo vavaro iro satinopinda mukati aisi avaro here vavara sabeka vintage karate kutoenda kunze kwenyika international zamana katatenga dhori yedu muzukuru wangu ati sekuru kedu takuri amuzukuru akareba umwe kuita kuenzana nepoiro one akatoenzana nedhora akatakura but mana tiri pambuzi paroundabout apa paboka tinga masida tinga dhuni dhoframe saka takutakura masiri boro zvopera sei understand pana apa pahasha papa panolodzera ndopatakazara toona papo papo kopedza chinowana hasa takadzoke pamwe wangu ukatodzoka ko loda baba takananga live yemageto ipo yawa rotozobuda ratozongowo haniskiti panozidrama ezvese zvaachitika nhasi wese papa mana zaasakata loda mana zidhoframe redu taramba kwaya mota pachigeto youth takata chema saka mumwe wacho tendakagara padenga varume 2 wacho ndakagara padenga vakabata patowa ichangorogara 4 kumberi kakatoenda avezaiwa safe saka tokwana apa unodonha sara wakatsika pasi
chafanana zvemabhuku zvichapera tetatese manje ndaswera zvakanaka vari bhozva chitongoti pakachenji yacho ticha vasara nayo ori akuti
Say, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Amana, if you're enjoying the vlog, please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Amana, it's about my businesses. When my businesses, when my brand deals and stuff, please do contact me. Panaba Zangu, super screen. Titaure, teacher journey. I think now, as you can see, my channel is getting some numbers in engagement. It will make sense. So please do contact me. You all know, man, the data is very expensive here in Zimbabwe. My bundles as we take and stuff, power Wi-Fi, my data bundles and stuff for me to upload each and every day, daily. I need data and stuff. So one of my brand deals, about content, I'm giving courses. Obviously, my courses, knowledge is man. If you have knowledge, you have man. You understand? You understand? I will help you to monetize the YouTube channels and help you to grow content ideas and stuff to manage your YouTube channels also. So one of my brand deals, please do get in touch with me on this number. Tango. I think guys, maona process the ticket, I think I should dinner, I just say and stuff, and then after that I had a very nice breakfast. I don't like milk, guys. So it was what to consider say you don't avoid mkaka, but I don't like milk. So even that's why I see kind of a cereal like to powder. I mean mkaka do farire. You understand? So yeah, no progress but so far and dinner zapa boys. That's why I interrupted the video, but yes, the bricks. You imba neighbor pedu imba neighbor sidira pa so the progress ya tura nzvimbo so far pastate pedu panapa ini guys Raymond uya are very authentic but are very transparent. I don't fake life. I show you as it is, understand? So let me first tell you my plans, or I will tell you my plans later after this video. Okay, so ziri panapa so far is takainstola magetsi ari panapa, as you can see takatonza magetsi. It's just our house neri paseri pacho ziri 3 chete, dzimwe dzese hadzina magetsi dzo, dzimwe dzese dzamuri kuona dzikudzika kwedzo hakuna magetsi kwezo. So it's just us in this line chete nevo paseri pedu apo tisakwanisa kutonza magetsi kumaunza kumaisa parai pedu panapa, you understand? Because magetsi atori kuzasuko umanyusedza kuna magetsi ka zvinge dzimwe dzimba dzitoko hadzina magetsi, hadzina mapauzi. Uyu mumwe wakariskowo vakamena vasakira apo. I think changokopero iye, you understand? But since inini what I get to the plan yangu pairi inini what I can say is like I'm just here for a few days or a month or 2 months. Why? I need time with mom. I need time like Mbobiki or Shibet take care of, and then later on I'm gonna move out and I will relocate again to Nogarandeka. I will find a very nice peaceful wood, maybe a ghetto, maybe Fio, Budiro, Glenview, Glenora, somewhere there, or maybe waterfalls, Warren Park, TZ. Quiet, I will tell you guys another time, but I think next month, definitely I think next month. So I'm gonna buy a bed, the headboard, everything from scratch, you understand? Huh? How am I such a dog? Masimo musazvitye. Awa iri bo. Manya maramba bakuru ne business dika. Awa isinya ndokuigira ikoko. Alright guys, uroziya zvimba vatizani zvobonzi uri murume wangu chichi blah blah blah. So okay, back to the story. After that I'm gonna relocate again and start living doing zvinhu doing zvinhu zvanechitochi ndegachi mulife mangu semunhu angajera kugara ega. You know, you can't live with parents for so long. And ungoitori just 2 minutes then kana wapedza so kuti papo wakuchitochi life yako. So ndo pane maplans. So ipapo patechi tine garden yakanaka. Garden ngatakaisa panapa. And then after that takainstalla a very nice bowl. Tiseka ne bowl muno ne tape. Mvura iende. Hatina mvura inoenda as you can see. And then nika garden kachona rasura panapa kane maveggie nene project totanga kutoitwa nemunhu zvino ndiani ari kurima panapa. You understand? So inini plus yangu iri padeni. So he was doing his degree and akapedza and so long he's doing his side hustle. Ari kuisa gasi rake panapa. You understand? Those are with panapa kakola down. And yeah, my mom also, she's selling her drinks, fish, mukaka, nyama, polony and stuff, my fruits. Since it's take at my kids up. Do you understand? So that's the life update so far. That's the first day in Simchigo. What's that? Tell me down in the comment section if you know this. What is this? Chicho. Tell me. So guys, as you can see, your boy is looking crushed and junky. So if you are in Shokunze, tell me. We also think I'm kaka, but we don't kaka ni nyama, gas, blah blah. And yeah, we avocado. So you can see what I'm avocado. My avocado remember. So I guess I don't life up the sofa. So I'm gonna show you the whole process why we are renovating this small house and building and stuff. So I'm gonna go to the foundation, and I will show you so also. And I want to show you guys that I'm not in salad. So I'll be helping also. Process so it's number cheese. Number you understand? Kaudi kasho mungono kari peaceful and still developing. Besides some roads and stuff, but yeah, this is the process. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. You like, you subscribe, you comment, you share, and I don't go to dig up the share. So yeah, stay tuned. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? If you want more and more of this, please tell me down in the comment section. And if you are enjoying my real authentic vlog, no my real authentic lifestyle, unfiltered life of a ghetto youth nana. Life is not edit, life is not jump kana wonder. Please tell me down in the comment section, and then I'll keep on uploading and giving you more of this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna show you kana empire pera, and then I'm gonna show you before and after. We're gonna renovate everything, repaint, reslash, put my new roof sheets and stuff. As long as my sheet tendera and wara sheet tendera, and then yeah, we're gonna do this for our mom. You understand? And then after that, not everything is sorted. And then so long I'm looking for a house, doing some budget and shit and stuff. You understand? So that I will buy a bed and stuff. And it's going to finish. Don't you understand? Same you know, man, we're my plans and stuff. So no watch your understand? Which is already understand. So I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I told you this understand? So that was the bad point. Mvura mahara, mvura pachena. Tank takaisa. We got the tank, we got the water. We got the electricity again, my new stage, and the name solar shakari, my guess I end up crazy is good to suppose any data. And the quite just data because data do as great. Data take South Africa to think that data month. So those routers say good adjustments, and I'm still looking for an affordable Wi-Fi. Being a Zam with say, it's Raymond data. Being a Zam, don't buy, you understand? And guys, and the other thing, if you wanna work with me, if you wanna give me some brand deals, if you want me to advertise some stuff, I think now I have engagement in the Irnan, would it make a sense to advertise the products and to advertise the stuff. I think my numbers are not going to make a sense with none. So please do contact me by numbers super screens, and then yeah, toshanda totaura, you understand. So thank you guys for watching to the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. You understand. Wait for another vlog.